botante, no? Pero kapag ang isang debate nga po ay inorganisa ng isang grupo na meron ng inendorsong kandidato, ano po ba ang mensaheng ipinapadala nito sa mga taong bayan?
Actually, that's not relevant, Tony.
Why
Dahil
not?
at the start of when they started to invite me, engage me for this SMNI, no?
Oh,
I didn't even bother to find out, I mean, who is sponsoring it, etc. Of course, there were other panelists there, but I was more concerned about the format, no?
are you a
Kaya nung
panelist?
una pa lang, gusto ko nang umatras kasi they were talking about advanced questions. Sabi ko, no, I'm out of here if you're going to do that. I mean,
So
why
they
am I going to
invited
participate in that format, di ba?
So they invited you to be a panelist po, Prof.
Mamaya?
Yes, I will be a panelist mamaya. 4 kami dyan.
Oh.
Tapos, supposedly, nung dalawa kasing briefing namin para sa format, no?
Aha.
Parang sa 10 inimbita nila, 8 yung nagtanggap, no? I forgot the names Basta yung hindi nagtanggap, yung less known among the 10. I cannot remember their names, no? But you know, if we have the list of the 10, maaalala ko. But
Sige.
in the first briefing, Tony Danny, 8 yung nagtanggap, no? Then suddenly, may nag-appear sa, ewan ko kung si Danny friend ko, pero ikaw, Tony, friend kita sa Facebook, no?
Opo.
Nagagalit sa akin. Bakit ko daw tinatanggap yung maging...
Hindi ako nagalit sa iyo, ha?
Oo, hindi ikaw. Basta, basta merong, parang 2 o 3 sila na sinabi, si Carlos nagtanggap doon sa isang network na ang may-ari ay yung isang taon taga Davao, no? Na nagsasabing siya yung anak ng Diyos, like that. Sabi ko, ha? Ganun ba? But remember, guys, you know, you interview me on ABS-CBN. Do I ever ask you sino may-ari ng ABS-CBN or DCRH or any network for that matter?
No. My point is, Prof, with your indulgence, kami naman po as a network, we do not openly endorse any candidate. Yun lang po ang mahalagang kaibahan. As a network, we remain truly unbiased because we do not publicly endorse candidates. Ito po, mismong yung pinuno ng network ay meron ng inendorsong kandidato. So how is that going to affect the debate?
The key word is openly. I'm glad you used that word. Because I've been content analyzing you guys and I count the number of minutes, microsecond, that you indulge in XYZ candidates. And clearly, nakakiling kayo sa isang kandidato. So, wag na tayo magmaang-maangan tungkol dyan, no? Kasi ang isang scholar na tulad ko, na nagko-content analyze, makikita yung trend na to. So, openly, maybe you're not doing it openly, but you're doing it not openly. Okay? And that goes for the other networks. Magagawa mo yan sa content analysis but let's not go there. So, what do I care? Ang sinabi ko nung second briefing, I raised that issue. Sabi ko, do you know, I got a lot of, call out sa Facebook kasi nga daw, ito palang network ninyo is owned by that person. Sabi ko, so long as that person does not interfere with my ideas at hindi niya ako binubusalan kung ano yung sasabihin ko, okay lang sa akin because that's always the rule of the game here.